Most traders miss setups because they don't stack timeframes properly. Watch carefully. Here's how the structure tool revealed the pound US dollar setup instantly for me and our members. This is how the perfect pound US dollar entry appeared across multiple timeframes. Instantly mapped, no guessing, repeatable every time. Stop wasting time on charts. Pro version 3 plots structure instantly and helps you learn faster. Step 2 of the structure system. Click the link in the description to get it now. The tool automates this, but you need the logic first. Let's clear the chart, map these pound US dollar setups manually, and then I'll show you the automation. So let's start on that daily time frame and work our way down to 30-minute, mapping out these charts to show you exactly how this structure works. So let me just go through first, show you what the swing and internal structure is on this time frame. And before I actually do that, let me just show you what the difference is between the two. So let's say we have a swing move in the market. A swing move is where we're going to see a simple pullback and a break of structure. Now within those swings, we have what we call internal structure. And it's here where we're going to see the market making that pullback with the internal structure and then continue to reverse and head lower. Understanding this is important, and that's part of that third step inside our structure system. Let me just remove this and we'll go back to the chart. Now, looking at this, the way we mark our structure is also key with this structure technique. Now, we can see this is a current high in the market, so I'm going to map that off right now as a break of structure, just so you can see where this happens. Now, as this is a break of structure, as soon as we see this candle closing down below this previous candle's low here, it becomes a valid high in the market. Now this becomes what we class as a daily high. So we'll mark it out as a daily high, place it to the right, and then we're also going to mark off is our daily low. And that's going to come right here in the market. And the reason that is our daily low, again, as we see the breakout, we look back, we're looking for the last time a candle closed down. This candle right here closes down. It's the lowest point before the breakout. And that's how we look at this. Now, this is our daily low. So let's change that to a low. And what this actually shows me now is a daily swing trading range. We just went through exactly what a swing and internal quickly looks like. Now I'm going to show you how you read this on this daily chart, because what we're using here is very powerful. And it's also very powerful for the members who spotted this same setup, understanding how structure works. Now, when we see this move the upside and the market pulls back, we were looking for continuation back for the daily high. Now, instead, what happened is we pushed through the daily low, removing any areas of demand here, wicking through, and then the market has stayed here and failed to continue to push away. When the market fails to push away, it's shown me a reason that the market's likely to continue bearish. And we also have, backing this up, is internal structure. Now, the internal structure, I'm going to map this out with a dashed line. When we see the market pulling back, now as we are now going bearish instead of bullish, we're looking for a close up. That means when we see this candle closing above this candle's high, we can map out this as a valid structure low for internal structure. Now it's not validated now until we get it closed through. So once we see a break to the downside of that low, let's remove that arrow, then we have a valid high we can find, which is going to be mapped from this high. Again, that's our internal high because that's where we see the last time it closed up. We look for close up to create a valid low. This becomes my valid low. And in fact, it may well have been from that low there. And it's because we see this as a close up. Then the market breaks structure once again. And this becomes our new valid high of our internal structure. That's simple. So our swing structure is bullish. Internal structure has been bearish. Now we see this close up on that candle there. This creates my current low of my internal structure. And more crucial is that we've seen a pullback here. Let me just quickly show you to the area of premium. Now, it's important to understand premium discount and why we're looking for price to push into this area for a potential sell. And that's part of that structure system. So what we're looking for next is the market to want to continue running for that weak low of our internal structure and eventually closing our daily low. Now, to help us find a potential setup from this area, we use multiple time frames. So now we're going to drop down to our 4 hours. So now we can identify this is our daily swing. This is our current daily internal structure here. Now, as well as our actual daily internal structure, break to downside. Okay, so I'm just going through a structure quickly to show you. We get another push down. this is a current high. So this is a current 4-hour high. And there is a way we can speed this up, because if I just quickly show you a glimpse of what the companion tool can do for you, you'll see if I quickly turn this on, that level I've just marked here will be a 4-hour high instantly. Let's turn it on. There you go. See, it shows me that 4-hour high instantly. That's the power of this companion tool. But we're getting the logic down first, understanding how you see those multiple time frames. So now we understand this is a current high in the market. We'll make this a 4-hour high and place that to the right. So now we have our 4-hour high. What this means is the way the market comes down, we don't have a close up until this candle. This low on this internal structure on a daily becomes also our 4-hour low. So we don't need to mark it off, but we will just to show you. So I'm going to map off another level. In fact, let me just go back to daily to make this even better. We'll leave this on the daily time frame for now. So leave it there. We'll go back to the 4-hour. And now what I can do is map this out as actually a 4-hour low. Let's duplicate this line and we'll change this to a low. So what we now have is that 4-hour trading range. We also know that this is a break of structure to downside. I believe it was here, and we can just double check that in a moment. If we just go to the tool again, I'll show you that where is our last break of structure. Well, we haven't got that information. Okay, so it's back over here. That's the actual break of structure. So you can see how when we actually start looking at things, the tool shows me exactly where the last bullish break was and where the break was to downside, why this became a 4-hour high. So even though we may have got it wrong when we were looking at this area of price, the tool always gets it right. So now we have that current break is back over here. We know this is our current trading range. What price has actually just done is pull back into this area of supply on the 4-hour time frame. So we'll mark this out as an area of 4-hour supply. And we'll just now map all this out onto lower time frame. Now we understand that the market is bearish with internal structure on a daily. We're bearish with swing structure here on a 4-hour. And if we look at our internal structure on a 4-hour, we're currently bullish in the market because we had a break of structure, a break of structure. So we're currently bullish on internal structure. But what we're looking for now is a reason to sell out of our 4-hour area of supply. And that's why we go down to a 30-minute time frame for our entry. Now, when we're using the companion tools, you're going to find how to automate this in a moment. The way it's going to work is instantly for you. It's going to show you these setups in seconds. Where we have to go through this manually right now, it will show you all this in seconds. Let me just quickly show you again, one more quick glimpse to show you what this does for you. It's going to show me where all these levels are previously, all my previous highs and lows, change of characters, breaks of structure. So I'll go through it more in a second. Let's go through just this chart to show you what's actually happened. So we've got a break of structure we already know was here. We just saw that on the tool, but it is a break of structure anyway. Once we identify this as a break of structure to the upside, we have our previous low is here in the market. Now the reason that's our previous low, because when we see this breakout, that's the last close down. Now this actually becomes another break of structure. So I'm just going to mark this out as a change of character because this is in fact is a change of character now to the downside. This would then be the current new high in the market. And then we have this low as another new break of structure. So you can see that the market comes down, creates this low. We pull back into what? Well, we pull back into areas here. Okay, into this area here of market where we see the imbalance just left over here. So if we just mark off that candle, we have an imbalance left over. Again, the tool would show this in real time, and we pull back into the area of imbalance and supply, and we run and we take the week low once again. Now that becomes another break of structure. Now, once we identify, we get a new break here again, then we have a new high we form here because when we look back from that breakout candle, that's our last close up. And again, when we see this breakout, we've got another area we can mark off potentially here. We've got a leftover imbalance, which needs filling. And we're often going to see the market pulling back. Now, there's a few ways you can take an entry. You can look for an instant entry off this area, stop above the high. And we look for a run on this 4-hour low, because this 4-hour low, I believe, is that the correct level? I don't know if that is the correct level. Let's just go back to the 4-hour time frame. That's the daily low. We want the 4-hour low, which is down here. Let's just make sure that is on the lower time frame. Okay, I'll make sure it's on the all intervals. So go back to 30-minute. That's the low we're targeting, not that daily low. Now you could take some off the daily low. And you can see that this is a pretty good trade setup. If we're looking for this to run, nearly to 11-hour trade. So there are different ways you can look for this. This is what we call the set and forget entry style, where you look for the market to pull back into this area of supply. You enter, and that's your potential target, looking for profits to be taken at this low on a 30-minute. That makes it risk-free for you. Now, the other way we can look for it, you can look for a candlestick entry, which I sometimes like to do in these types of setups, or you can go down to a lower time frame and look for like a 5 or 3-minute entry, or even a 1-minute entry out of this area to then target lower. And that increases your risk to reward. So what I actually did personally on myself on this setup is I looked at a candlestick by candlestick setup. So I'm looking for a reason to take a trade here. So let me go forward with a candle and show you exactly what happens. So as the market comes up, we push into our entry area. So if you've taken a set and forget entry, you've been triggered into this trade. Now we've created this as a valid low, and this becomes a valid 4-hour low. And I'll mark it out as a 4-hour low, where we can look to potentially target for the first target. So in fact, let me just put that over to the right like it was. So we can look for the entry now to run this low, where you're going to be risk-free, and then look to hold it all the way down to this low down here, which is the best way you can sometimes look at trading. Taking risk off is important. So the tool is going to automate this and show you where structure is going to align. It's going to show you where these areas are for your best entry and your exits. So what I'm now going to quickly show you in a moment is the full automation of the tool, how it's going to work to help you, and how it's also helped those members capture this same setup in their own trading using the tool. So when we look at this, what I'm now looking for my entry is a reason to take the trade. Now this was a good entry because we fully filled this imbalance, okay, into your supply. It is a trade I would have taken, but I wasn't at the chart, so I didn't see this setup in real time. Waiting for the next candle, then this candle closed, and I saw that as an opportunity with an inside candle. When we see this fully filling this imbalance into supply, inside candle, this became my entry off that candle. My stop was just above the high of that candle. And again, what I looked for was a run for this low down here. Okay, the 4-hour week low and the daily internal low. And I'll show you how this all can be automated for you in a second. And we can identify here, we went bearish right here with a change of character. We pull back into the area of supply to fill that area of imbalance here, and we could have had the first trade for this low. Now that was a absolutely perfect setup to take on a change of character. And I will show you, if you keep watching to the end of this video, exactly how the tool can also identify if the change of character is a good time to target and take an entry. But when we see this sweep of this low, we have a pullback, then we have another push for new break of structure. That creates the second break. Now I'm watching and thinking, now the market has got a good reason to run for that 4-hour low down here. And again, this is the setup. And why does this setup work? Because we run into this area of previous imbalance. Look, it's been shown instantly for you on the charts. No reason to not understand where those areas sit. I've taken an entry understanding that as my candle. And the stop, let's grab this, put it across here. Stop above that high of that candle. And then you can take some off the week low on a 30-minute, or you can look to hold it straight all the way down, okay, for the 4-hour week low. Now, in this case, for me, that was a better potential target. And once you identify this, you've got your entry. Let's now play this forward and see how the market goes. It pulls back and we continue to break structure to the downside. Now we have a nice sweep. Now again, this was a change of character, it shows here on the tool, but in my eyes, this was basically a sweep of these equal highs, filling this imbalance here we had previously. It's now been removed, but there was an imbalance there. And this was another perfect entry off that candle. Understanding, reading the market. We continue to be bearish. Okay, the market continues to push lower and then straight down for the final target down here. And that is how Okay, the structure companion tool can automate all this for you. And I did say there was one other way you can see if it's worth taking an entry on a change of character. And this for anybody who's still watching. If you're still watching, you're going to get this insight quickly. So I go back and we'll mark off on this replay mode when the market comes back to this area on the chart. Now, how do we know if this is a good time to take an entry on this change of character? What we can actually do is we can go into the settings of the tool and I can turn on my stats table. What it's going to show me at the top right is my stats for a percentage where we're likely to hit a week low after a change of character or week low on the second break. So the top is going to show me when we see that second break. Okay, I'm looking for a week low. We've got a 63.7% chance it's going to run for this week low. Now, the change of character is classed as the first structure break. Now, on this, it actually shows me the week low has a 67.7% chance that it's likely to hit a week low. So that tells me it's a good percentage that I could have taken this trade to run for this week low. And obviously we can see that this does in hindsight work out. And this will forecast and help you to identify these types of setups ahead of time. So that's the structure companion tool. Your complete structure mapped automatically, validated across multiple timeframes in seconds. Remember, when you get access, you are securing monthly access to the indicator, the short training course, and the exclusive Discord support. This isn't just a fix, it's a complete system for confident structure analysis. Don't waste another day manually drawing structure. The link to claim your full access is right below this video. To see more ways to apply market structure concepts step by step, watch the next video. It teaches how to read price and structure across multiple charts for maximum clarity and precision.